Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sala. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So despite being hated by social media, our beloved Gogo Makhephula had a very important message regarding people who have HIV. Gogo Makhephula have shunned people who have ridiculed people who are HIV and said that they are not actually so and have actually, I think, banale madlozi or something, and he makes a diagnosis, you guys. He says that people who are HIV should not be judged for being diagnosed with bolwetsi by HIV. So up next, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the video of him telling everyone that amadlozi and HIV do not go head on head. Please do engage with me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share my page. I will definitely see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.
Thokozani bogogo, thokozani zindlonge. Muthu wa HIV or wa AIDS, there's nothing wrong ka yena except hore yena a tinwele dipidisi tsa hae, and then muthu he can do whatever he or she want. Aka thwasa, aka bereka bongaka, there is still life modimo ha hae. The only problem e leng teng ko hore re mothwasise rena a ntse a tinwela dipidisi tsa hae a fitlhe go wena ngaka ya go phala lefatshe le lotlhe le o mo tloeditse dipilisi o ra wa ke ngaka e byang e mo thwasitseng a ne le di anwa dipilisi nna tloela dipilisi wena o tla phela o tla bolaya ke motho. Gogo sabela o tla bolaya ke motho. Motho ke ra nnetse re ba thwasetsang ga ba yo nwa dipilisi. Not everyone o elo re o nwa dipilisi lo hana badimo o kana wa ba le badimo and then wa nwa dipilisi and then wa thwasa o ntse o nwa